Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete search history permanently. Clearing search history can be a security measure, especially if you have conducted searches containing sensitive information, login details, or personal data. Deleting the history reduces the risk of this information falling into the wrong hands. First of all, open up Google Chrome on your phone. Once you're in its web browser, click on the settings option from here. By clicking on settings, you will see the drop-down menu of Chrome settings. Now from here, choose the search history option. It will lead you to your Google account settings. Then from here, click on the delete option. Choose the delete all time option from here. After selecting all products, click on next and hit the delete button. The activity that you selected is being permanently deleted from your account and is no longer tied to you. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.